Okay, so this is the fucking trawler on the helicopter. Since they haven't done a video of me, look like a hat. Look like. And do you know what? They just made a video out of me looking really fat. What? Did I look really fat? Did I just did this or something? You know what? Yeah. I still love this user. But my tummy's really, really, really big. And also... Oh, it's gonna crash. Oh, poor fucking troll. Right, so I need to go get him right over there. So you're now gonna go over there and just check it out. Wait a minute, wait. Oh, there we go. And we're gonna all cover the Bam Slam gadget. Yes, and also happy Valentine's Day, everyone. To bam and slam and bam this helicopter. It's just wet my phone now. Right, I forgot you to bam and slam and bam fucking shoulder around. Come on. It's bam slam time. Yeah, there's water on my phone. Clean up my phone. And I'm gonna clean my phone when she just got deaf or something. There you go. Thank you for watching the Bam Slam gadget. Right, see you again later. I'm really fat right now. Do you know what? I'm really fat right now. Get really fat on my tummy. Fatty person. Okay, this is me, TBS with the fat man. I mean, why? Because Fabian done the video about 1975 and it made myself fat! What the hell? Okay. Wait, oh my god, I forgot to share out. Wait, sorry. Stay wait, one. On the chair. Out. Alright.